Welcome to my channel Travel Guide. Boeing 767 retirement wave explained. Once a long-haul workhorse, the Boeing 767 is now disappearing from fleets worldwide. Why were so many scrapped? In this video, we explore airline retirements, aging airframes, fuel efficiency shifts, and market changes that led to the massive phase out of this iconic wide-body jet. High number of passenger retirements. Over 1,350 Boeing 767s have been built since 1981, but older passenger variants, especially 767 and 200-300s have faced mass retirements. Airlines like American Airlines retired 17,767,300 ERs in 2020. Delta phased out its last passenger 767s years ago, and many early models from the 1980s-1990s ended up in storage or scrapping due to age, inefficiency, and replacement by 787s, A330s. Boneyards as primary destinations. Scrapped or parted out 767s often end up in desert storage facilities like Mojave, California, Roswell, New Mexico, or Pinal Airpark, Arizona. These airplane graveyards preserve aircraft in dry conditions for potential resale, parts harvesting, or eventual dismantling. American Airlines has sent numerous retired 767s to Roswell for storage and scrapping. Full dismantling examples. Specific cases include Austrian Airlines' first retired 767, OE Lat, approximately 30 years old, dismantled in Arizona in 2021, and various Delta 767s fully broken down at Pinal Airpark. Early scrappings occurred as young as 14-17 years old when economics favored parts over continued operation. Famous scrapped aircraft. The iconic Gimli glider, Air Canada 767-200C gone, famous for 1983 fuel exhaustion incident, was stored at Mojave after retirement in 2008 and scrapped in early 2014 despite preservation efforts. Not all retired 767s are scrapped. Many passenger 767,300 ERs avoid full scrapping through conversion to freighters, 767-300F. Cargo operators acquire them for modifications, extending life significantly. This trend has grown, with freighter production continuing, though ending in 2027. Recent retirements accelerating scrapping risk. Icelandair advanced its 767,300 phase-out to end 2026, from 2029, due to losses, retiring several in 2025-2026. Some may convert to cargo, but others face storage or scrapping if no buyer emerges. Parts harvesting before full scrapping. Before complete destruction, 767s are often stripped for valuable components, engines, avionics, landing gear, worth millions. This parting out delays full scrapping. For example, some American 767s at Roswell were used solely for spares before final breakdown. Pandemic impact on scrapping. COVID-19 accelerated retirements, e.g., Americans' 2020 cuts, sending more 767s to boneyards. Some, like Air Canada's older 767s grounded in 2020, returned to service or were revived, but others were scrapped or parted out. Limited scrapping of newer variants. Newer 767s, especially freighters and KC-46 tankers, remain in production, demand, with freighter output winding down only in 2027. Passenger scrapping focuses on pre-2000s builds, post-2010 aircraft or rarer in graveyards. Overall fate. Second life over scrap. While many 767s have been scrapped, especially early, short variants like 767,200s, the type endures via cargo conversions and military use. Passenger retirements continue gradually. Some airlines plan phase-out by 2030-2032, but full scrapping is often a last resort after storage, parts recovery, or freighter conversion, proving the 767's durability beyond passenger service. The 767 story is more about life cycle extension than mass scrapping, though desert boneyards hold poignant evidence of retired airframes meeting their end. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.